Put your best foot forward on this Wednesday and listen up for some news you can use. Now that spring is here, most people are much more active. So if you overuse or injure your heel, you may start experiencing some heel pain. Dr. Sunshine is here with the common causes of heel pain and how to treat it. It is a pleasure to have you back on the show. And we were just saying just moments before we came back on the air that, yeah, it's starting to warm up. Thank goodness first off. But, you know, a lot of people are having fun outside. It's very easy and also very common for people to hurt themselves.
Yes, Zach. People are out. The weather's breaking. People are out walking, exercising, spend time outside. Been inside all winter. Start to walk more. Maybe haven't bought any new athletic shoes and start to develop heel pain.
And we're talking just about everybody in this particular segment. Everybody who, from young kids, I mean, they can easily hurt themselves, but also some older folks as well, where things become a little bit more brittle over time.
Right. The more active you are, as you get older, the less your muscles are flexible, and you're more susceptible to injury.
Let's talk about some of those common injuries. First of which, you're going to have to help me pronounce this here because I'm not a podiatrist myself, but how do you say that?
It's plantar fasciitis.
Plantar fasciitis.
And I have a model here I've kind of adapted here. This is a rubber band that represents the plantar fascia, which is a broad, thick ligament that is on the bottom of the foot, which stretches from the heel all the way up to the toes. And when you flex your foot, it flexes that band of ligaments. And as you get older, it becomes less flexible and more susceptible to injury. So when you combine that with walking on hard surfaces or overdoing it, you can develop heel pain on the bottom of the foot. Now, many people develop heel pain and it goes away, only to return later on thinking that it'll go away again. So by the time patients come into my office, they've had it for months, and it's more difficult to treat.
I'm sure there's a lot of more wear and tear because it's gone so long without that treatment.
Exactly. So the sooner you recognize what you have, the easier it is to treat it. Now, most people know someone with some type of foot pain. Very common. What people don't realize is that how you support the foot affects the outcome of how your foot feels when it gets injured. So the things you can do is wear the proper shoes. We've talked about that on other segments. Wearing arch supports can help over the counter, and then these are custom.
And I've seen these before. Obviously, many people have, and it's so amazing to think that something so little, because you look at this, and I mean they're relatively inexpensive, but they make a world difference.
It's a piece of plastic, but it's what you do with the plastic that matters. And combined with proper shoe gear, this is the primary way that I treat patients with heel pain.
So, I mean, there really are a ton of different ways you can injure yourself or different kinds of foot pain aside from just the heel. Let's just talk about treatment options. You mentioned just a few of them. Of course, something similar to this could be incredibly beneficial.
Some of the things you can do initially is take some anti-inflammatory medication like over-the-counter Motrin, wear an over-the-counter arch support, wear supportive shoes. Going barefoot or wearing flat shoes is actually putting more stress on the Achilles tendon, and that puts pressure on the bottom of the foot. So supporting the foot is the first thing. Now, if you do develop heel pain, plantar fasciitis, pain on the bottom of the foot or in the back of the heel, icing can help it, and rest and gentle stretching. I was
just going to say some good old-fashioned rest is simply all you need sometimes. But if things get a little bit more severe, they can always visit you. Which where can people find you? Where are you guys located at?
We're in Centerville, off of Clio Road, on Centerville Business Parkway, just by Bigger Road.
Okay, and then the website right there at the bottom of your screen. Visit them if you have any kind of issues with that foot pain, so you can heal that heel. Thank you so much for being here.
Thanks.